Hey everyone! Breaking news on the Etsy front today. The online marketplace we all know and deal with, Etsy, has just announced a major leadership change. Josh Silverman, who has been CEO of Etsy for 8 years, is stepping down, effective December 31st, 2025, and will transition to executive chair through the end of 2026. And taking over as CEO on January 1st, 2026 is Kruti Patel Goyal, currently President and Chief Growth Officer at Etsy. Now here's what this means for all of us having our stores on Etsy. First, Etsy is facing headwinds. Gross merchandise sales, GMS, fell to $2.72 billion in Q3 from $2.92 billion a year earlier, and active sellers dropped nearly 11%. Second, when the CEO steps down during a challenging times phase like this, sellers should perk up because it often signals a shift in priorities, maybe less algorithm black box, maybe better seller support, maybe new growth strategies. So, what should you do right now as an Etsy seller? First, keep your eyes open for policy or algorithm changes from Etsy. When new leadership comes in, change often follows. Second, use this news as talking point in your content. Etsy is changing leadership. Here's what it could mean for us. That builds trust and relevance with your audience. Look, yes, change on that magnitude can feel uncomfortable. But remember, you're not at the mercy of Etsy alone. You're building your skills, your brand, your community, and maybe, just maybe, this leadership shakeup will signal better days ahead for Etsy sellers. More transparency, more opportunity, more room for those who are smart, nimble, and already building their edge. Stay steady. Stay creative. You've got this. Until next time, keep that shop humming and your strategy sharper than ever.